Yes, I'm finally at the beach. Hey, what's that evil guy doing here? What, that's the me from the other dimension. I see you got my message to come and fight me on this stormy day. My element. Come, fight me. So, how did you... I thought I killed you. Whatever, I'm ready for a fight. Stuck. I'm stuck. I'll never get away. Come back, coward. I thought you wanted to fight me. Fine. I did want to fight. Fight.